All right, in this training, I'll show you how to upload training slides into IRONGATE. So any training that you want your crews out in the field to use, maybe the corporate office needs some training, or you want to do a group setting training, this is how you build the training to then distribute to your employees. So let's head over to Content Admin and we will create a new piece of content. So per usual, we'll come over here to create and we'll start building it out. So I'm going to be uploading a crane pick analysis to the system. And so I am going to put it under safety training and I am going to give it a title. So crane pick analysis. And here's the important part. Don't forget this part. This content type tells the system what type of content you're putting into it. All right. So we are going to press online training and it's going to open this edit course button. So we're going to edit the course and it's going to take us to the training builder. This is what you need. So we are going to press add slide down here in the lower left-hand corner, and it'll give us 3 different options of things that we can add to the training builder. Right now, I'm only going to be focusing on slides. A couple other videos will show you how to add in YouTube videos and quiz questions, okay? So we are going to add in some slides that have been saved from PowerPoint. So if you have slides that you want saved from PowerPoint and then pulled into IRONGATE, you will need to save the PowerPoint as a JPEG or a PNG or a PDF. And you do this by pressing Save As and then selecting the file type of how you want the PowerPoint saved. Once you have your slides all laid out, you will then just be able to drag and drop them into IRONGATE, okay? So I have my slides ready and I am going to pull them into the system. And so while this is loading, let's see. Yeah, usually it goes pretty quick. Sometimes depending on internet speed, it'll buffer a little bit. So here are my slides. You can pull them around, drag and drop them. You can remove a slide if you don't want it anymore by pressing the red X or delete slide down here at the bottom. And then you can also go in and add more slides if you wish. I have 2 pro tips for you. One, be very aware of which slide you have selected when you want to add more slides to your training program. So if I want to add another slide and I press add slide, it's going to appear below the slide we have selected, okay? So if you had uploaded maybe 12 slides and you wanted to add 14 more in, make sure you scroll down to the bottom, press the 12th slide, and then upload the rest. Hopefully that makes sense. Otherwise, your slides will upload in an order that you don't want, and it's just a mess. So don't do that. The other tip that I have is make sure that your slides are in numerical order before you pull them into the system. So in your file organizer that you have on your computer, just make sure they're in numerical order and then pull them all in that way. All right, that's it for this training. Let's quit. We'll address this passing grade in another video, and we are going to scroll to the bottom and press save. And this is what will actually end up saving your training for you, okay? All right. If you don't see it pop up automatically, just refresh your browser and then you'll see your newly created content in your safety program. That's it. It's that simple. I'll see you in another video.